Vitamin C provides a wide range of health benefits to the human body. You need it for the maintenance of skin, blood vessels, bones and cartilage, and wound healing. It also provides protection against certain diseases, including cancer, and it helps support your immune system. Many people believe that oranges have the most vitamin C, but that's not actually the case. Guavas, according to recent studies, have the highest concentration of vitamin C at 165 milligrams per serving size. Guava is a tropical fruit that's packed with nutrients and antioxidants. The fleshy fruit is usually eaten as a snack, while the leaves can be boiled into an herbal tea. Here are other foods that contain high levels of vitamin C, with amounts listed in descending order per serving. Strawberries, 1 cup, 98 milligrams. Cantaloupe, 1/4 medium, 95 milligrams. Papaya, 1 medium, 95 milligrams. Red bell peppers, 1/2 cup, 95 milligrams. Orange juice, 3/4 cup, 60 milligrams. Kale, 1 cup cooked, 53 milligrams. Broccoli, 1/2 cup cooked, 50 milligrams. Green bell peppers, 1/2 cup, 45 milligrams. Tomato juice, 1 cup, 45 milligrams. Mango, 1 medium, 30 milligrams. Lemon juice, 1/2 cup, 30 milligrams. With so much vitamin C available in so many foods, some people naturally ask, is it worth taking vitamin C supplements? Thanks to today's availability and wide variety of food choices, nutritionists agree that most people get an adequate amount of vitamin C from their diet. Vitamin C supplements actually have little benefit. Study after study has shown that vitamin C does little to nothing to prevent the common cold, which many people believe. Can I take too much vitamin C? Multiple recent studies suggest that consuming large amounts of vitamin C supplements can actually cause harm. Many people take vitamin C supplements in unnecessarily high doses because they've heard it prevents and treats various health disorders. A lot of common claims and beliefs about the benefits of vitamin C supplements are scientifically unproven. These claims include preventing cardiovascular disease and osteoarthritis, staving off sunburn, and improving the appearance of wrinkles. Plus, megadoses of 2,000 milligrams or more can actually raise your risk of painful kidney stones. What happens if you don't get enough vitamin C? In most developed countries, doctors rarely have to treat vitamin C deficiency cases. But in some countries, people get little or no vitamin C. After several weeks, these people are likely to develop a condition called scurvy. Symptoms of scurvy include fatigue, inflammation of the gums, small red or purple spots on the skin, joint pain, poor wound healing, and corkscrew hairs. To learn more about vitamin C and your diet, click on the links in the description section for this video.